Forum for Naga Reconciliation para ayojan kora Naga Plebiscite Day program do Capital Convention Hall Kohima de sob Apex CSO Khan logot miligina loise. Desh sob logot miligina Nagaland State Museum Kohima de Art and Culture Department para International Museum Day ge manaise. Eastern Nagaland People's Organization Khan ULP Junafura abstain koribole laga faisla ge pabi sabole state sarkar bra pindi kore ase koigena Minister KG Khenye bra kushe. Enforcement Directorate bra cash seizure laga mamla de Jharkhand Rural Minister Alam laga 6 day custody paise. Hello viewers, moi Sisina Longjar apni kon sob ke NLTV roundup de swagat korase. Do ahibi ajila ko program sai sabo. Apex Motor Enterprise pra May 17 2 baji de all new XUV 3XO ke launch koribole ase. Kohima branch office Merimate SBI Kohima branch assistant general manager Makoni Taimedo even day chief case aro Song Street Kesenyo Amanda Soredo special case takibole ase. Idu gari laga town do 7.49 lakhs bra shuru ase aro idu ki khenibole mon taka manukan advance booking koribole pare aro booking do May 15 bra shuru hoise. Idu de aro jankari lobole thagile 7085061896 de contact koribole paribo. Kohima de Thursday din FNR bra Naga Plebiscite Day manaise. Idu do Naga political groups, Apex Civil Society Organization aro Kirja Khan bra moto digina manaise. National Socialist Council of Nagalim aro Nagaland, Naga National Political Groups, Naga National Council aro Naga National Political Alliance Khan bra program de speaker tagise.
Have seemingly been weakened. We are not destroyed. Am I right? Yes or no? Yet, although Nagas have seemingly been somewhat weakened, I'm here to say Nagas are not destroyed. Okay? Nagas are not destroyed. We are alive. Despite the real disruption in our historical and political bonds, maybe in the recent past, that the very disruption has thrust the Naga people into a more organic way of relating. Well, some of you will say, is that really true? I say this because it is factual and observed in our meetings since February of this year. Since February 16 to 18, we met together, all the Naga political groups. The public may not know. After that, we have met 4 times. And in all this, every political individual or every political group came to an understanding that despite the disruption, today Naga people are more organic. We are more organic by knowing how to relate with one another. And I'm saying this because of what I have observed. This is an empirical statement that I'm making. Therefore, convergence as opposed to divergence. Convergence as a universal law of nature is a coming for the Nagas.
Desh Desh Sob Logot Miligina, Thursday in Nagaland State Museum Kohima Day, Art and Culture Department Bra International Museum Day ke manaishe. Museum culture, tradition, aro fact finding development laga importance support jankari phelabole nimide May 16 bra shuru kurigina May 18 dak itu celebration lobole ase. Art and Culture Director Atenla Muabrak janaise ki itu 3 din museum day sob visitors kan nimide free entry takibo.
The International Museum Day, along with the rest of the world. And so on this occasion, we are inviting the schools, colleges, and giving free entry to any visitor who comes to the museum. The theme is Museums for Education and Research. And so we have invited schools, colleges, law colleges, and the response has been very good. Entry will be free to all visitors. We are observing the International Museum Day for 3 days. Actually, it's on May 18, but from 16, 17, 18, we'll be observing it so that we want people to come and see the museum also. And alongside that, we have set up a small corner where we will be showing some heritage documentary films also for children to come and see and learn more about their culture. Is organizing
Eastern Nagaland People's Organization bra urban local bodies chunav bra abstain koribele elan kora upor Power aro Parliamentary Affairs Minister KG Kenya bra koise ke urban local bodies chunav to grassroots level nimite ase ENBO khan laga mamla do high level de loi ase koise ENBO khan iru chunav bra abstain na kurigina hissa lobole state sarkar bra organization ke aro ek bar bindi koribole faisla loise koigina minister bra janaise
Something we're also familiar and have been anxiously awaiting for this day when it would be conducted. As you see, this is a welfare and development oriented council, whether it be municipal or the town councils. And it is a semi-autonomous body for local self-government to manage their own affairs at their own local levels. So it is something to facilitate and usher in developments in their respective town councils and municipalities. So it is for the benefit of the citizens residing in those towns and municipalities. And finally, we have come to a stage where we have cleared all the hurdles and about to start the process of constituting these councils. Now, I don't know why this has to be seen as a means to register their resentment and their protest on their demands, which already is under process at a higher level. The town council, ULB, urban local bodies election is to do with the grassroots level developments, and it is for the upliftment of our citizens at that level. So
Power and Parliamentary Affairs Minister KG Kenya bra koishigi Desh Sarkar bra FMR mamla ke saya se idu bra sob NGOs aro civil societies kan ge patience sagibole janaise idu logot Kenya bra koishigi state sarkar bra idu laga mamla opor masbut bra khara koribo
regime, the FMR, which made the headlines just during the last assembly also. So after the hue and cries of the people who are affected, particularly in those residing near the borders, the international borders, and in the interest of Naga people and all other citizens along the McMahon line. The issue has been thoroughly debated in the Assembly, and finally, the State Assembly have passed a resolution asking the Government of India to review their decision for scrapping the free movement in the border areas, because it curtails our right on so many aspects of life, and this will be detrimental to the interests of people living on both sides of the border, for which, in fact, the two governments of India and Myanmar have had a free movement regime 16 kilometers into their respective countries, understanding our sentiments and our cross-border trades and daily activities. So the government is very firm on its stand, and we have learned that the GOI have taken up this matter and is under active consideration. So we would request all other NGOs and civil society organizations also to be patient and wait, since this matter is being considered. Hopefully, in a positive manner, it will be dealt with by the government. That is our request to every individual and organization.
Kohima Jafu Hotel de Thursday in Northeast Education Consultancy Bra Poila State Level English Competition Kam Education Fair Ayojan Kurishe. Program do May 17 tak thakibo. Idu logot program de cash prize aro certificate thakibo aro graduate aro 10+2 student kan nimire scholarship thakibo. First prize to 10,000, second prize 7,000 aro third prize to 5,000 thakibo.
Suresh from NEC Education Consultancy from Manipur. They are organizing this education fair at Hotel Zafu, Kohima. And here almost 10 different universities are participating in this education fair for the career counseling of the students of Nagaland. So here everybody has given their performance and giving the career counseling to the students of 10th, 11th, 12th and even graduate people. So after 10th or 12th, if they want to build up their career and exposure, if they want, they can go outside from Nagaland and they can have a good career. Okay, if they wish to study anywhere in the part of India, like universities are from Bangalore, universities are from Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and other part Kolkata and Guwahati also. So different universities are there. So here the platform is this. Students are getting on-the-spot admissions also here if those who are interested to take the admission. That is like English aptitude test, as general aptitude test. On the basis of their aptitude, they can score marks, and in that percentage, in that if they score good marks, they will get scholarship and they will get the cash prize. Okay, this is open for the class 12th and graduate people. They have already given the invitations to all the colleges and this schools in Kohima. They are invited the students to take this participation in this exam so that they
National Dengue Day Laka Occasion Day NLDV Bra Thursday in District Vector Borne Disease Dr. A. Gavito Jimomi Logot Interview Loshe. Idu Pimar Upor Pal Bra Janiwo Nimide. Idu Homoy Dr. Jimomi Bra Chanaishi ke Dengue Bimardo Female Mosquito Bra Kamura Nimide Olai. Sob Manu Bra Jana Nishna. Idu Bimar Bra Bachigina Takibole Nijor Laka Surroundings Kange Sapa Rakibole Dr. Bra Chanaishi.
Ajidu National Dengue Day celebrate Kurese. Itude Mohanla theme to connect with the community, control dengue koiginase. To itu dengue bimar to joa sal to bishi mohan sob jani ase Dimapur aro mon de ekdom mohan public khan ke bishi effect korise. To itia moi khan মনসুন পানী পৰিবলৈ লগা এতিয়া মনসুন আহিবলৈ লগা এইটো চাই আছে তো পানী পৰি কিনা এইটো আস্তে অলপ দিন পানী নপৰে তাৰমানে মচুৰ খান ব্ৰিডিং কৰি যায় তো এইটো তাৰমানে ব্ৰিডিং কৰি কিনা কণ্টেইনাৰ্ছ খান নহ'লে বি টায়াৰ্ছ খান নহ'লে বি এনেই পানী অলপ কালেক্ট কৰা লগা জেগাতে মচুৰটো তাতে আণ্ডা দিব এনেকুৱা কৈ না মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি যায় তো এইটো কৈ এডিছ মস্কিটোৰ পৰাহে এইটো স্প্ৰেড কৰে তাতে ভাইৰাছ থাকে তো এইটো স্প্ৰেড কৰি কিনা এইটো দুসৰা ভাইৰাছ তাতে থাকে না দুসৰা মানুহকে কামুৰিছে ক'লেতো এইটো ডেংগি লগা চিমটমছ খান ওলাই থাকে এইটো মই এখন ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট নহ'লে বি এইটো 1 জুন পৰাহে এইটো কণ্ট্ৰল কৰিবলৈ নাপাৰিব কমিউনিটি লগা পাৰ্টিচিপেশ্যন বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আছে কেলৈ ক'লে এতিয়া মই এখন আৰ্বানাইজেশ্যন হৈ আছে আৰু পপুলেশ্যন খান বি এতিয়াতো বেছি ইনক্ৰিজ হৈ কিনেতো কিনিয়া কৰি না পানী জমা নহ'ব লাগে পানী জমা কৰিছে ক'লেতো তাতে মস্কিটোটো একদম খুচি পাই কিনা তাই তাতে ব্ৰিডিং কৰি কিনে হৈ যায় এইটোৰ পৰা আমাখন পাব্লিক খানকে স্পেচিয়েলি ডিমাপুৰেঞ্চ একদম গৰম জেগা আছে পানী গৰম হ'ব কিমান গৰম হ'ব কিমান পানী পৰি কিনে কিবা হ'ব মস্কিটোটো তাই লগা ব্ৰিডিং লগা এইটো কিবা কৰিবলৈ একদম শ্বৰ্ট স্পেন হৈ কিনে ফাট মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি থাকে
Dunsang District Planning and Development Board meeting do Deputy Commissioner laga chairmanship bitor TC conference hall day Wednesday day luishe Lok Sabha Chunav law humoi department bra active participation law nimide DC bra sob ke dhanyawad thishe NOBG 2024 de district laga naam de hissa law athletes kan ge certificate khan thishe Idu logot ahi daga urban local bodies chunav nimide sorkari kari kan laga details submit koribole sob ADC bara janaishe Woka Bandari Town Hall de Thursday din 18 nimide workshop loishe Idu do Nasha Mukh Bharat Abhiyan bitor Woka District Administration Bra ICAR Research Complex for NEH Region Nagaland Center aro ICAR KVK Woka Logot Miligina Ayojan Kurishe Bandari Additional Deputy Commissioner Longtiba Sangdambra Sub Resource Person ge swagat kurishe Workshop de 50 Jawan Manubra hissa lushe Enforcement Directorate para Thursday Sham cash seizure laga mamla de Jharkhand Rural Minister aro Congress leader Alamgir Alam laga 6-day custody paishe Special PMLA court para probe agency ge Alam laga custody dishe Additional Solicitor General of India Anil Kumar bara janaishe ki ED bara 10 din nimide Alam laga custody mang kurishe 6 din karne hi custody dishe Idu logot Alam laga Personal Secretary Sanjeev Lal laga Domestic Helper laga kore pa poisa do sob Minister laga ase koigina Kumar bara allege kurishe Ab Rajya Sabha MB Swati Maliwal bara Thursday Sham X de boss kurigina janaishe ki daige assault kura laga mamlare Delhi Police logot statement kurishe Idu mamlare joldi katam uthabole ummid ase koigina MB bara kuishe Dai laga tuk humoi de dai logot kara kura khan sob ke Swati bara mon gushi janai kina dhanyawad tishe Idu logot BJP khan idu bara politics na kuribole Swati bara pindi kurishe Prevention of Money Laundering Act laga Section 19 bitor Enforcement Directorate para accused 1 June ge giriftar koribole para ge Supreme Court para Thursday din curtail kuri dishe Court para koishi judi accused 1 June para special court e chaise aro idu court para mamla ge cognizance loishi koile ED para arrest koribole naparibo Custodial interrogation lage koigena court para consider korile hi custody grant koribo koishe Idu logot ED bara complain koratak accused ke giriftar na korigina takele complaint file kora piche giriftar koribole naparibo koigina top court bara rule kurishe दिल्ली चीफ मिनिस्टर अरविंद केजरीवाल बरा थर्सडे दिन कुशीगी लोकसभा चुनाव ते बीजेपी दो 220 बरा भी कमदी सीट जिदिबो आरो बीजेपी बरा नहोइगना इंडिया ब्लॉक बरा सरकार बनाबोले आसे। उत्तर प्रदेश लगा लखनऊ शहर दे समाजवादी पार्टी चीफ अखिलेश यादव लगत मिलिगिना प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कुरा समय केजरीवाल बरा इटु क्लेम करिसे। इटु लगत जुदि प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी दो वापस एमपी लगा सीट दे आहिले भी बेसी देरी नाथिकिना रिजाइन करिबो आरो यूनियन होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह के नतुन एमपी बनाबोले आसे खोइगिना केजरीवाल बरा क्लेम करिसे।
बातें रखना चाहता हूँ। पहले चारों बिंदु बता देता हूँ, फिर उसको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। पहला ये कि ये चुनाव भारतीय जनता पार्टी मोदी जी अपने लिए वोट नहीं, अमित शाह जी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए वोट मांग रहे हैं। दूसरी बात, योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को अगर ये लोग जीत गए तो योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को 2 से 3 महीने के अंदर उत्तर प्रदेश के सीएम पद से हटा दिया जाएगा। नंबर 3, इन लोगों की पूरी तैयारी है, अगर ये लोग जीत गए तो संविधान को बदल के SC ST और OBC का रिजर्वेशन खत्म कर दिया जाएगा। और नंबर 4, जो आंकड़े अब देश भर से आ रहे हैं वो ये दिखा रहे हैं कि 4 जून को इंडिया गठबंधन की सरकार बनने जा रही है और NDA को और बीजेपी को बहुत कम सीटें मिलने जा रही हैं। जब 2014 में प्रधानमंत्री बने थे नरेंद्र मोदी जी, तो उन्होंने खुद एक रूल बनाया था कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अंदर और उनकी सरकारों में 75 वर्ष से ऊपर कोई भी व्यक्ति होगा तो उसको संगठन में और सरकार में किसी भी पद पे नहीं रखा जाएगा, उसको रिटायर कर दिया जाएगा। और उसका सबसे पहले उस रूल के तहत आडवाणी जी को और मुरली मनोहर जोशी जी को रिटायर किया गया था। और उसके बाद तमाम यशवंत सिन्हा जी, सुमित्रा महाजन जी, कई लोगों को यहाँ टिकट नहीं मिली, कई लोग जो पद पे बैठे हुए थे उनको पद से इस्तीफा दिलवा के उनको हटाया गया, ऐसे कई सारे लोग हैं। तो अब अगले साल 17 सितंबर को प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी 75 साल के होंगे और मोदी जी ने तय कर लिया है कि अमित शाह जी को वो अपना वारिस बनाएंगे और अमित शाह जी अगले साल 17 सितंबर को देश के प्रधानमंत्री बनाने का उन्होंने तय किया है मोदी जी ने। इसके ऊपर मोदी जी पिछले 1-2 साल से लगे भी हुए हैं, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी के अंदर अमित शाह जी के सामने जो जो बाधाएं पैदा कर सकता था नेता, एक एक करके उन सब नेताओं को साइड कर दिया गया, उनका पत्ता साफ कर दिया गया। शिवराज सिंह चौहान को हटा दिया गया, वसुंधरा राजे को हटा दिया गया, डॉक्टर रमन सिंह को हटा दिया गया, देवेंद्र फडणवीस को खत्म कर दिया गया, खट्टर साहब को खत्म कर दिया गया, एक एक करके सबको खत्म कर।
व्यूअर्स इतना निमित्ते खबर इमानी आसे अपनी सब चाই থাকিলে नागालैंड TV।